Hello, April 22nd. You're back with the Total Newb Trader. I've been on a rut lately. I've not been doing well. I'm really hoping to make some changes today. I'm watching Netflix. I got my pre-market highs and lows set as usual. Market's due to open in about 90 seconds. I'm currently changing this pre-market high on Netflix kind of as we're seeing a bit of a jump here. Look at the 15 from 509 to 512 in just a few seconds. I was actually looking to play on the 510 call, but we've already blasted past that. Let's see what happens. I'm expecting Netflix to move up this morning. I'm also expecting Nvidia to move up this morning. I'm going to maybe select a 1250 call instead. Like I said, I have not been doing well lately, and I need to really act accordingly. I need to be really tight with my losses today if I'm going to take any. Hopefully I don't. And just really try and keep it technical today. So the market's due to open in about 30 seconds. As usual, I'm watching the SPY and the QQQ on my other screen. Looks like Netflix is trying to gap up right now. Who knows where this can go? I might even have to load in a 515 call. This might just keep going. Market's about to open. Okay, market is open. Seeing red off the SPY right away. This is fluctuating rapidly. Just flying up and down. I'm a little nervous to do anything. I need to let this kind of choose a direction first, I think. Looks like we're having trouble breaking about 514. So if we can come back to 514, I might consider going long on a 515 call. Right now they're pretty cheap. Both the QQQ and the SPY gapped down this morning. However, they had great finishes yesterday. Really strong green candle yesterday on both. So usually when you see a gap up like this, what I'm looking for next is a bit of consolidation and then hopefully another break. So I think this is kind of what we're seeing here. And then I'm looking for a big break up here. So the SPY has fallen through the 50-day moving average right now. And the QQQ looks to be maybe finding some support on its 50-day moving average. But they're showing signs of weakness right now. You can see kind of up here in my watch list, they're both in the red, about 70-80 cents. We're seeing 4 red candles in a row on the SPY, and I'm wondering maybe if we're going to find a bottom and it's going to have a bit of a bounce back, and we'll hopefully see that play out in Netflix here as well. So this is moving, but the volume is pretty low right now, so it's not a super strong bullish sign here. It looks like maybe the QQQ found a bottom, a little bit of support, and is pushing back. We'll see if the SPY can follow, and then hopefully Netflix will follow as well. Okay, I'm seeing this push here. Reclaim the VWAP. I'm not really seeing much like this on the SPY and QQQ, so I'm a little hesitant here. The volume's still really low, so I'm just trying to be patient. I really want to let these setups come to me today. I really don't want to chase. This is about as real as it gets when you're doing options trading, scalping, when you're learning how to scalp with a small account. I'm down to about 1,500 here, down from about 3 grand. So I'm not doing well right now, but it is learning. I mean, the first time I tried to ride a bike, I probably fell over on the grass right away, right? So I had to use my training wheels, no doubt, for the first couple days, I'm sure. So this is a lot like that, right? The first time I learned to snowboard was the same way. I took a lot of nasty falls before I really learned how to do it. So kind of expecting the same thing with options trading, taking some serious losses, and it's all part of the learning process. So you'll notice I'm not even considering Tesla today. It is moving, but they're just too expensive for my small account size right now. So I'm just trying to deal with some of the smaller ones like Nvidia or Netflix. I might actually be looking to go short here. This might find some support though. It's a bit risky. There's not really much going on here. This has a short opportunity, but I'm not sure. I am seeing a bit of strength on the QQQ right now. It might be finding some support here on the pre-market low. I'll load in the 507.50 call here in case this picks up speed. Okay, so I'm going to load in a 510 call, and if it can pass over these 20 SMA and 9 EMA here, we might see a pop. So I want to see the tape speed up a little. Looks like we're getting close. Seeing green on the SPY and Q. I'm going to buy this in anticipation here. If this takes a fall, I gotta just get out. But I want to give it a second. I am seeing green on the SPY and Q as well right now, so that's part of why I tried to get into this as early as I could. Really want to see this push green. Okay, if it can reclaim those, it might have a nice move. Okay, I'm going to be looking to take profits very soon. And I sold that for $61 US. Good, good, good. I'm feeling good about that. It was a small move. I saw a little bit of resistance here. It's still kind of having trouble here. I got a little nervous that it might not make it, so I sold. I took a small win. This is what I need today, just some small wins. I'm seeing red on the SPY and Q right now. Okay, I'm going to take a 507.50 put now, and the reason is because it looks like maybe we're finding a bit of resistance here. We'll see if this takes a turn down. It might really take a turn down, because this is looking kind of like a reverse flag pattern. And I am seeing some pretty big weakness on the SPY, as well as the QQQ actually. So I might be looking to buy a 507.50 put here. Big red on the SPY. Not seeing any big orders here. Mind you, I don't subscribe to every single one of these, so I'm sure there are some hidden ones here. Eventually, when I start being a little more profitable, I'll unlock some more data. Okay, I'm seeing maybe some support now on the QQQ. Looks like we're forming a decent green candle. Actually, the SPY as well. Netflix had a huge red day yesterday, so I was thinking it would probably be able to bounce back up a bit, but we'll see. Oh, I'm going to buy this put. Okay, let's see this move. Big red on the SPY and the QQQ. I want to see this go down. Right now my P&L is a negative. -6. Okay, I'm going to try and take a quick move here. I'm going to sell that. Oh, for $6. It took 2 steps down there. It's only an 11-cent win on my option price. Another very quick scalp, $6. Ugh, I was trying to get that a little more. Very quick move, trying to keep these moves really, really quick, really tight. That was like seconds, right? And I still took another bit of a reversal in my profits there at the last second. Not even at the last second, the last fraction of a second. So I'm watching if there's another opportunity for a 507.50 put here. If this pre-market low serves as a bit of resistance now, there might be another opportunity for us to buy this put for another move down. I'm going to buy this. And I want to see this fall a bit. If it comes back, I'm going to get out. I'm seeing red on the QQQ. I'm going to sell that. Ooh, I saw plus 12 and it flipped to -6. It's a good thing I did too. I would have got spooked here for sure and sold. Okay, I'm 2 for 1 right now. That's 3 trades in. You know, there's a really good chance that I will give back my profits if I keep trading. This is a pretty volatile market. This is still showing signs that it might fall here though. Look at everything is starting to fall. If there's a breakdown of this price level, I think it's going to fall again. I might give this put one last try for the day. Okay, I bought back into this again. Looks like it's making a quick move. Oh, my fill price was terrible at 510. This really needs to move for me to get back in the green here. If it comes back above that line I drew, I'm going to sell. Hopefully I don't give too much back. Oof. This isn't looking good for me. This really needs to move here. Oh, I sold a -42. I just gave back most of my profits. And I would have got spooked on that green candle for sure. I think I maybe waited a little bit too long on this drop. I probably could have sold right at the end of this candle and had maybe a tiny green, but it was going, I got a terrible fill price of 510. The spread was big. Probably should have been watching that. Definitely getting out when I did was the right call, because look at this bounce back here. Seeing heavy green on the SPY and Q. If this can reclaim the 9 EMA, it'll probably take a push. Plus 24. It's not great. Not great at all. But I think I'm just gonna stop. I'm just gonna lock in that plus 24. I really needed a green day today. Would have been nice to get that that 61, but I don't want to overtrade. The last couple of days, I've been trying too hard to make that number bigger. I've been trying to chase bigger numbers, and that's what's been leading me to take losses. So I think today, regardless of what I'm seeing here, there's a bit of FOMO because, I was thinking about buying right here as we broke through the 508, and it looks like it would have worked out for us, fairly well. But I need to walk today. So thanks for watching another video with the Total Newb Trader. Tune back in tomorrow. We'll see if we can get maybe some bigger green numbers here, turn this losing streak around.